Hi guys, it is Luis from the Spanish School de Una. We teach you the local way of speaking Spanish. Today we're going to be learning Spanish pronouns. Remember that at the end of the video we have a very special gift for you, so don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's dive in. Basically, a pronoun is a word that we use to refer to a subject. In Spanish we have two groups, singular ones and plural ones. The singulars are yo, which means I, tú, which means you, remember tú, and usted, which means also you, but the difference between these ones is the context. For example, let's suppose I'm talking with my friends, I'm talking with my girlfriend, and it's more like an informal context, I can use tú. But let's suppose you're talking to someone older than you, or if you are in the street and you want to know what time is it, you can use usted. First, because you don't know that person that well, and also because it's more like a formal context. The next one is él, with the accent mark, él, which means he. Ella means she, remember ella. Please keep in mind, guys, that the Y and the double L in Spanish is pronounced exactly in the same way. At the beginning, you can say that yo, we write that word with Y, and ella with double R, but they sound exactly the same. Yo, ella. Yo, ella. So these are the singular ones. So now let's go with the plural ones. The plural ones are nosotros, which means we, and we have nosotras, which means we. But the difference is the gender. For example, let's suppose I am with my female friends, and there are, 5 of them. Even though there are women, I am with them, and this is why we use nosotros. Or if I am with a group of men, we use nosotros. But if we're talking about nosotras, is a group of women. So basically that's the difference. Nosotros, when we're talking about a group of men, or there is a man with a group of women. So now we have the last ones, and these ones are ellos, ellas. In this case, it's pretty similar like nosotros, nosotras case, because depending on the gender, we change it. Ellos, men, ellas, women. I bet you guys are wondering right now, okay Luis, but you didn't mention anything related to it. The reason is because in Spanish, it doesn't exist. I mean, we use it, but depending on the context and depending on the gender, it changes. But literally, it doesn't have a translation. Okay, so now I'm going to say some phrases in order to practice this topic a little bit more. We have, ellas son amigas. Ellas son amigas. Nosotros somos amigos. Nosotros somos amigos. So in these sentences, you can see the difference. We have ellas son amigas because we're taking a group of women, and amigas is used for female friends, and we use ellos son amigos because we're talking about a group of men and they are male. Okay, so now it's time to listen and repeat. I'm going to say some phrases and I want you to repeat them. You can pause the video and then play again. So the first sentence is tú y yo. Tú y yo. We already know that tú means you, yo means I, but in Spanish, y means en. So, tú y yo means you and I. The next one is tú hablas español. Tú hablas español. You speak Spanish. Now it's your turn to translate. The first sentence that we have is nosotros hablamos español. Nosotros hablamos español. The next one, ellos hablan español. Ellos hablan español. Nosotros y ellos. nosotros y ellos. Can you translate each one to English? Okay guys, so let me know in the comments below what the sentence that I just said translate in English. Thank you so much for watching the video. In the description box you can find a PDF totally for free with the Spanish pronouns. If you liked it, in the description you can also find a link which will give you access to more content like audios, videos, exercises, and more. See you in the Una Spanish School. Bye bye!